Hello my guys, and welcome to another episode. For this episode, I have a new probe from the company Ancel. I'm going to show you what it is. Let's get to it. For this episode, I have this new battery tester from the company Ancel, BST600. With this tester, you're going to be able to check battery capacity, cranking test, battery temperature, charging system. So for this episode, I'm just going to show you how the machine works and how to print. If you have problems printing with this machine, I'm going to show you how to fix that. When you get your machine ready, connect the black to the negative, the red to the positive. And the first screen is going to be this one. Arrows, go back, enter. If you want to check your battery, just press this one on your battery. Mine is regular flooded. Call cranking amps 600. It's going to test. Okay. It's been cold. I haven't started this vehicle for a couple of days, so I need to charge it. Now, once you get there, you press enter again, and if you want to report printed, press yes, and then you put the last 4 of the VIN number, and it's gonna start printing. Okay, so we have everything in here printed and no problems. The temperature is 9.9 and needs to be charged. It's really cold outside. Well, I think that's why. If you have problems with the machine not printing or the paper gets stuck, you have to pull in this part right here, pull up, and then move it. Make sure that your paper is this way, facing up. Put it on and make sure that this roller is clean and is in place. Once you do that, just pull on your paper, hold it with your finger, and close it down. That should resolve many of the problems when people have problems printing and using the device. Now I'm gonna check the cranking system. I'm gonna go to my battery again. Make sure the engine is off. I'm gonna start the engine. Cranking is low. As you can see, the battery is good. It was just sitting for a couple of days, but here is all the tests that I did: cranking test, charging test, and battery test. Everything is good on it. But like I said, if you have problems when the paper is jamming, just open it up, just pull it, make sure the roller is clean, and keep it out, the paper out a little bit, and then close the lid, and that should fix the problem. So there you have it, guys. I'm gonna leave you with this. I hope this episode was helpful. If you're planning on getting a tester or you have this one already, make sure that you do that. Make sure that the paper is centered in the middle, or it's gonna jam and it's not gonna print. Make sure that roller is clean, and just keep your paper facing that way, facing up, and it goes from the bottom up. So guys, I'm gonna leave you with this. Link is gonna be in the description if you wanna get this battery tester from the company Ancel. I hope you like this episode, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.